We are pleased to show you the 2018 Chevy Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, heated seats, traction control, power sunroof, Bose sound system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.